What's the real difference between $50 and $500 binoculars? I bought pairs across every price point and tested them side by side in identical conditions. The results shocked me. Some budget models outperformed premium ones in key areas, while certain expensive features are completely worthless for most users. Let me tell you about a binocular that changed my perspective on mid to high-end optics, the Vortex Viper HD with 8x42 configuration. First impressions matter, and these feel premium the moment you pick them up. The rubber armor isn't just slapped on. There are perfectly positioned thumb indents that make extended glassing sessions actually comfortable. It's a small detail that makes a massive difference when you're holding them for hours. The optical performance is where Vortex justifies the price. Their high-density optical system delivers edge-to-edge clarity that budget models simply can't match. I tested these at dawn and dusk, and the XR anti-reflective coatings genuinely pull in more light than you'd expect. Low-light performance is exceptional. Customization is built in. The locking right-eye diopter lets you dial in perfect focus for your specific vision, while the center focus wheel is buttery smooth, no hunting for sharp images. The twist-up eye cups work great whether you wear glasses or not. Durability, they're argon-purged, fully waterproof, and fog-proof. The ArmorTech coating on the exterior lenses shrugs off scratches and fingerprints. And Vortex includes their glass-pack chest harness, which is honestly better than aftermarket options costing $50 alone. With a 409-foot field of view at 1,000 yards and 8x magnification, these hit the sweet spot for hunting, birding, and general outdoor use. The Nikon MONARCH M710x42 is where serious optical engineering meets real-world usability, and it shows immediately. Nikon's ED glass is the star here. Extra-low dispersion glass that eliminates color fringing and delivers incredibly sharp, true-to-life colors. Combined with multi-layer coatings on every lens and prism surface, you get bright, high-resolution views even when light conditions aren't ideal. I've used these at dawn and dusk, and the image brightness genuinely impresses. The 10x magnification gives you more reach than standard 8x models, with a 357-foot field of view at 1,000 yards. That's narrower than 8x binoculars. But the trade-off is worth it for long-range wildlife observation and detailed spotting. You can identify bird species at distances that would be impossible with lower magnification. Ergonomics are excellent. The turn-and-slide eye cups offer precise positioning, and the high eye point design means eyeglass wearers get full field of view without vignetting. The central focus knob is smooth and responsive, no overshooting your target. Durability is fully sorted. Waterproof, fog-proof, rubber-armored body, plus oil and water-repellent lens coatings that make cleaning effortless. Fingerprints just wipe away. For birders, hunters, and anyone needing that extra magnification power without sacrificing image quality, the MONARCH M710x42 delivers professional-grade performance. Let's talk about the Swarovski EL 8.5x42. The binocular that made me understand why professionals spend this kind of money. Swarovski doesn't compete on specs alone. The 8.5x magnification sits in a sweet spot. More reach than 8x, but steadier than 10x for handheld use. That 42mm objective paired with a 4.9mm exit pupil means your eyes get flooded with light, making low-light performance absolutely stunning. But here's what sets these apart: the glass itself. Swarovski's fluoride-containing HD glass produces color accuracy and contrast that's simply unmatched. Chromatic aberration? Essentially non-existent. Image sharpness from center to edge? Flawless. This is what you're actually paying for. Optical perfection that reveals details other binoculars just can't resolve. The 20mm eye relief works beautifully for eyeglass wearers, and the ergonomics are refined to the point where they disappear in your hands. The focus mechanism is precision engineered, buttery smooth with zero play. Swarovski backs these with a lifetime warranty on optics and 10 years on everything else. That's confidence in build quality. Yes, they're expensive. But if you're a serious birder, wildlife photographer, or guide who lives behind binoculars, the EL series represents the absolute pinnacle of what's optically possible. This is the benchmark everything else gets measured against. The Vortex Diamondback HD 8x32 is the compact binocular that punches way above its price point, and it's become my go-to recommendation for anyone wanting serious optical performance without the premium price tag. That 8x32 configuration is perfect for all-day carry, significantly lighter and more compact than full-size 42mm models, but the HD optical system still delivers impressive brightness. Vortex uses select glass elements to cut chromatic aberration and boost color fidelity. You're getting genuinely sharp, color-accurate images that rival binoculars costing twice as much. The lens coatings are where Vortex doesn't cut corners. Fully multi-coated optics maximize light transmission, dielectric prism coatings enhance brightness and color accuracy, and armor tech on the exterior lenses protects against scratches and grime. These coatings make a real difference in image quality. Ergonomics are well thought out. Adjustable eye cups for eyeglass wearers, smooth center focus wheel, and right eye diopter for customization. The rubber armor provides excellent grip even in wet conditions, and they're tripod adaptable for extended glassing sessions. Argon purged, O-ring sealed, completely waterproof and fog-proof. They'll handle rain, humidity, and rough use without issue. And here's the kicker: Vortex's unlimited, unconditional lifetime warranty. Break them, damage them, they'll fix or replace them, no questions asked. That's unbeatable peace of mind. The ZEISS Victory SF represents the absolute peak of binocular engineering, where optical physics meets no compromise design. Let's start with that staggering claim: 92% light transmission. ZEISS achieves this through their Ultra Florida concept, incorporating multiple shot fluoride glass elements that virtually eliminate chromatic aberration. The result? Color fidelity so accurate it's almost unsettling. You see colors exactly as they exist in nature, with zero fringing or distortion. Every lens receives individually tuned ZEISS T-time coating, optimized for maximum clarity and contrast. This isn't mass production. This is precision optical craftsmanship. In twilight conditions where other premium binoculars struggle, the Victory SF still delivers brilliant, high-contrast images. The field of view is exceptionally wide, giving you panoramic awareness that's critical in challenging terrain or fast-moving wildlife scenarios. Combined with impressively close focus distances, you can observe everything from distant raptors to nearby butterflies with equal clarity. ZEISS Low-Tech coating ensures water and dirt bead off instantly. Your view stays crystal clear in rain, fog, or humid conditions. These aren't just binoculars. They're optical instruments at the highest level. For professional guides, competitive birders, or anyone demanding absolute optical perfection, the Victory SF justifies its premium positioning. This is what's possible when engineering excellence meets uncompromising quality standards.